the coastal empire of Georgia. Additional weather information can be found online at weather.gov/CHS. The local time is 6:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 6 a.m. weather reports from around the area. At the Beaufort County Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 41 and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was northwest at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.11 inches and rising. Throughout the region, rain was falling with a temperature of 40 at Charleston, 37 at Walterboro, 39 at Augusta, and 42 at Myrtle Beach. Drizzle was falling with a temperature of 42 at Brunswick and 40 at Sylvania. At Columbia, mixed precipitation was falling with a temperature of 36. It was cloudy with a temperature of 40 at Savannah and 43 at St. Simon's Island. And now, here are some regional marine observations. The Fort Pulaski tide gauge reported north winds at 12 knots gusting to 14 knots. The air temperature was 42 and the water temperature was 52. The Capers nearshore buoy reported northeast winds at 19 knots. The air temperature was 47. The Frick nearshore buoy reported north winds at 19 knots. The air temperature was 45. The Edisto buoy, located 41 nautical miles southeast of Charleston, reported east winds at 19 knots gusting to 27 knots. The air temperature was 66. Water temperature was 68 degrees. The wave height was 10 feet, with a period of 8 seconds. The buoy at Gray's Reef, located 40 nautical miles southeast of Savannah, reported north winds at 17 knots gusting to 21 knots. The wave height was 7 feet, with a wave period of 9 seconds. The official National Weather Service forecast for the listening area. Today, cloudy. A chance of showers, mainly this morning. Highs in the upper 40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, cloudy. A chance of showers, mainly in the evening. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s, except in the upper 30s near the coast. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday night, clear. Lows around 40. Synopsis for the coastal waters of South Coastal South Carolina and North Coastal Georgia. Coastal low pressure will move northeast through tonight. High pressure will then prevail across the region through the end of the week. Here is the coastal waters forecast. From Edisto Beach to Savannah out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through this afternoon. For today, north winds 20 to 25 knots, becoming northwest 15 to 20 knots this afternoon. Seas 5 to 7 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet this afternoon. A chance of showers, mainly this morning. For tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet, subsiding to 3 to 4 feet after midnight. A chance of showers. For Tuesday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A slight chance of showers. For Tuesday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. For Wednesday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. For Wednesday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. For Thursday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Thursday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Friday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. And for Friday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. The offshore waters forecast, from Cape Fear to 31 degrees north out to 1,000 fathoms. For today, east winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming west to southwest 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Scattered showers and thunderstorms with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. For tonight, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Chance of showers with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. For Tuesday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north 5 to 15 knots. Seas subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Scattered showers. For Tuesday night, north to northeast winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. For Wednesday, northeast winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming north 10 to 20 knots. Seas building to 4 to 7 feet. For Wednesday night, west to northwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas becoming 3 to 5 feet. For Thursday, west to northwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday night, west to northwest winds less than 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Friday, variable winds less than 10 knots, becoming south to southwest. Seas 3 to 4 feet. And for Friday night, south to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. The upcoming tides for Beaufort, South Carolina. Low tide at 7:26 a.m. today. High tide at 1:41 p.m. today. Low tide at 7:47 p.m. today. High tide at 2:13 a.m. Tuesday. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ23 in Beaufort, the voice of the National Weather Service. The station proudly serves the South Carolina Low Country and the coastal empire of Georgia. Additional weather information can be found online at weather.gov/CHS. The local time is 6:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.